In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Davinci Resolve Studio. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting out, making the jump to the studio version will open up a world of new features and possibilities. So sit back and relax, because in just a few minutes you'll have the tools you need to elevate your editing game. To begin, you'll want to start by navigating to the Davinci Resolve page on the Blackmagic Design website. You can find this simply by doing a quick search in your browser, or by following a link if you already have it handy. This is your one-stop shop for all things Davinci Resolve, including downloading the software and accessing support documentation. Once you're on the site, make sure you're in the right section for Davinci Resolve Studio specifically, as this is distinct from the free version in terms of the additional features it provides. Now that you're on the correct page, the next step is to go ahead and download the Resolve Studio installer. You'll typically find this under the download section of the page. This installer is what you'll use to get the studio version set up on your computer. It's important to ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements to run Davinci Resolve Studio smoothly. Having enough RAM and a compatible graphics card will ensure that your editing experience is as efficient as possible. Once you've confirmed your system is up to the task, go ahead and start the download. This may take some time depending on your internet speed, so feel free to grab a coffee or take a small break while you wait. After the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer. It's usually in your downloads folder, and double click to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will guide you through setting up the software. During this process, you may be prompted to enter your license code. If you already purchased a license for Davinci Resolve Studio, make sure you have your activation key handy. Enter this information when prompted to activate the software. Once your installation is complete and your software is activated, you're ready to start editing with Davinci Resolve Studio. Congrats, you've just unlocked a whole new level of creative potential. You'll now have access to upgraded features such as more advanced color correction tools, Fairlight audio post-production capabilities, and Fusion visual effects and motion graphics. And there you have it, you're now set up with Davinci Resolve Studio, ready to dive into your projects with a fresh set of tools. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.